A simple life is a fulfilling life. It is a life that embraces the beauty of the present moment, free from the clutter and chaos that often accompany modern living. By focusing on what truly matters, we can find a deeper sense of contentment and joy. It is a life focused on what truly matters. This means prioritizing relationships, experiences, and personal growth over material possessions. It is about creating memories with loved ones and cherishing the simple pleasures that life has to offer. It values experiences over possessions. Whether it's a hike with friends, a family campfire, or a quiet evening at home, these moments bring more lasting happiness than any material item ever could. A simple life is about peace, intentionality, and joy. It is about finding tranquility in everyday activities like practicing yoga by a serene lake or getting lost in a good book under the shade of a tree. It is attainable by anyone. No matter your background or circumstances, you can choose to simplify your life and focus on what brings you true happiness. Living simply has many benefits. It promotes a healthier lifestyle, both physically and mentally. By jogging in the park or cooking a healthy meal, you nurture your body and mind. It reduces stress and anxiety. Taking time to enjoy quiet moments, whether on a park bench or meditating in a garden, helps to clear your mind and bring a sense of calm. It allows you more time for things you love. Engaging in activities like playing with your pet or painting in a field can bring immense joy and satisfaction. When you have less stuff, you have less to clean and organize. This simplicity in your living space translates to simplicity in your mind, freeing you from the burden of excess. This frees up your time and energy. With fewer distractions, you can relax in a hammock or enjoy a bike ride, feeling more energized and focused. A simple life is also good for your wallet. By being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices, you can save money and reduce financial stress. When you buy less, you save more. This not only benefits your bank account, but also encourages sustainable living practices like growing your own vegetables. This allows you to pursue your passions. With more time and resources, you can focus on what you love, whether it's working on a creative project or starting a new hobby. You could travel, start a business, or spend more time with loved ones. The possibilities are endless when you simplify your life and prioritize what truly matters. Transitioning to a simple life is a process. It requires patience and a willingness to let go of what no longer serves you. It's about identifying what is important and removing the rest. This process of decluttering and simplifying can be incredibly liberating. This looks different for everyone. Each person's journey to simplicity is unique, reflecting their own values and priorities. The goal is to live with intention and purpose. By embracing simplicity, you can create a life that is rich in meaning and full of joy. Minimalism is a key aspect of a simple life. It is about living with less. This doesn't mean getting rid of everything. It means being intentional about what you own. Start by decluttering your home. Go room by room and get rid of anything you don't use, need, or love. Donate unwanted items to charity. This decluttering process can be very freeing. Once you've decluttered, be mindful of what you bring into your home. Avoid impulse buys. Ask yourself if you truly need something before purchasing it. The less you buy, the less you have to clean and organize. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about making room for what matters. It allows you to focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. This leads to a more fulfilling life overall. Minimalism extends beyond our homes. It also applies to our possessions. We often hold on to items for sentimental reasons. While memories are important, objects don't hold them. Consider taking pictures of sentimental items. This allows you to keep the memory without keeping the physical item. You can create a digital album or scrapbook for these photos. This reduces clutter and preserves memories. When it comes to clothing, create a capsule wardrobe. This is a collection of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Choose high-quality, versatile pieces that you love to wear. The same principle applies to other possessions. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in items that will last and bring you joy. Remember, minimalism is about owning less stuff so you can enjoy life more. A healthy diet is crucial for a healthy life. It provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. A healthy diet is not about dieting, it's about making sustainable changes. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are excellent choices. These foods are packed with nutrients. They also help you feel fuller for longer. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods are often high in calories and low in nutrients. They can contribute to weight gain and health problems. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Water keeps you hydrated and helps your body function properly. It can also aid in digestion and weight management. Section 5. The importance of exercise. Regular exercise is another important aspect of a healthy lifestyle. It not only helps in maintaining physical health, but also significantly boosts mental well-being. Engaging in physical activities releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It helps you maintain a healthy weight and keeps your body in good shape. Regular exercise can also improve your muscle strength and boost your endurance. It also reduces your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Additionally, it can help manage blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. This could be anything from hiking with friends to playing a sport you love. This could be anything from brisk walking, which is a great way to start your day, to dancing, which is not only fun, but also a fantastic workout, to gardening, which can be surprisingly effective in burning calories. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or even a fun fitness class. If you're short on time, you can break up your exercise into shorter intervals. Even small bursts of activity throughout the day can add up and make a big difference. Even 10 minutes of exercise at a time can benefit your health. Short, high-intensity workouts can be particularly effective if you're pressed for time. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Keeping a regular schedule and tracking your progress can help you stay motivated. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and enjoyable part of your day. Find an activity you love and make it a social event. Exercising with friends or family can make it more enjoyable and help you stay committed. Invite friends or family members to join you. This can turn exercise into a bonding experience and create lasting memories. Exercise can be a great way to connect with loved ones and improve your health at the same time. So get moving and enjoy the benefits of a more active lifestyle. Section 6. Mindfulness and stress management. Stress is a normal part of life. However, chronic stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health. It's important to find healthy ways to manage stress. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for stress management. It involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. This can be done through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply being more present in your everyday life. Other stress management techniques include exercise, spending time in nature, listening to music, and spending time with loved ones. Find what works best for you and make it a part of your routine. Taking breaks throughout the day can also help reduce stress. Step away from your work or other obligations and do something you enjoy. Even a few minutes of relaxation can make a big difference. Section 7. The benefits of a simple lifestyle. Living a simple and healthy life has numerous benefits. It reduces stress and anxiety, improves physical health, and increases happiness and well-being. It allows you to focus on what truly matters in life. When you simplify your life, you have more time and energy for things you love. This could include spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing and enjoying life. A simple life can also lead to greater financial freedom. When you're not constantly buying things, you have more money to save or invest. This gives you more options and flexibility in your life. Ultimately, living a simple and healthy life is about creating a life you love. It's about making choices that support your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Section 8. Creating new habits. Creating new habits takes time and effort. It's a journey that requires patience and dedication. Often we expect immediate results, but real change happens gradually. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, every small step you take is progress. It's important to stay positive and keep moving forward. The key is to start small and be consistent. Small changes are easier to manage and can lead to significant improvements over time. Consistency is what turns actions into habits. Focus on making one change at a time. Trying to change too many things at once can be overwhelming and counterproductive. By concentrating on one habit, you can give it your full attention. Start by identifying one area of your life you'd like to simplify. This could be something that causes you stress or something you've always wanted to improve. This could be your home, where clutter might be causing you anxiety, your diet, where you might want to eat healthier, your schedule, where you might want to find more time for yourself, or something else entirely. Once you've identified an area to focus on, set small, achievable goals. These goals should be realistic and attainable, so you can build momentum and confidence as you achieve them. For example, if you want to declutter your home, start by decluttering one drawer or one room. This makes the task more manageable and less daunting. Once you've accomplished that goal, set another small goal. Each small victory will motivate you to keep going. Celebrate your successes along the way. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how small, will help you stay motivated and positive. This will help you stay motivated. Celebrations can be simple, like treating yourself to something you enjoy or taking a moment to reflect on your progress. It's also helpful to find a support system. Having people who encourage and support you can make a big difference in your journey. Share your goals with friends or family members and ask for their support. They can provide encouragement and hold you accountable. You can also join online communities or support groups for people who are also trying to simplify their lives. These groups can offer advice, share experiences, and provide a sense of community. Remember, creating new habits is a journey. Be patient with yourself. Stay consistent and celebrate your progress along the way. With time and effort, you'll see the positive changes you desire. Section 9. A journey towards simplicity. Remember, simplicity is a journey, not a destination. There is no right or wrong way to live a simple life. What matters most is finding what works best for you and your unique circumstances. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Embrace the freedom and joy that come with living a more intentional and fulfilling life. It's a journey worth taking. Start simplifying your life today and experience the transformative power of simplicity.